do in terms of stakeholders we would engage in this activity. There are so many different types of stakeholders, internal, external. Obviously, for the framing of this or deciding which technique is better, we would have to have the SMEs, the end users, the implementation subject matter expert comes into picture for the solution space or ideas to come up with a better a proposed solution, the sponsors for their views, the objectives and the expectations for the program, the customers and the end users. So again, pretty much like the previous activity, very important to engage the right set of stakeholders to and in fact it could be even more. I mean, it could be internal, it could be external. Sometimes it's suppliers, you're engaging the suppliers to talk, understand what their problems are. If you're creating an order management system, if you're creating something else which is more important for them, you're engaging the suppliers as well. You talk to regulators. If it's a project to do with a regulatory compliance project, you engage with the stakeholders or the regulator from the team from the regulators. So it really depends. So there's no specific, okay, this is the only set of stakeholders you will talk to or you will engage in the